Kia ora koutou katoa. Waitangi Day for some people is a holiday. For many, and especially for Māoris, it is the occasion for reflecting on the treaty. As we celebrate on on February the 6th, we will be showing you how to make a poi, which is used in Māori's traditional performances. You will be needing white plastic bags, yarn to use to hold the poi. You will also need cotton, and then you will be using some rubber bands. Now, we don't have to use the rubber bands, but it's there in case we do.
Depending on how small or big you want your poi to be, grab the amount of wool you need, and using your white plastic or rubbish bag, place your wool inside like so, and secure it using a rubber band, then cut off the end of the rubbish bag, leaving a slight end out. Now take your yarn or string, depending on how long or short you would like the handle of your poi to be, cut a piece out. To have a more secure poi, you can double up your yarn. Tie the yarn around your poi, or you can secure this using a rubber band. And there you have it, your very own poi. Ora Koutou Katoa.
Did you know the best place to observe Māori culture is on the marae, which is a sacred communal meeting space?
Did you know that the Māoris were the first to arrive in New Zealand, journeying in canoes from Hawaii about 1,000 years ago?
Did you know the name Kiwi comes from the curious little flightless bird that is unique in New Zealand?
Thank you for watching. Tēnā koutou katoa.